Our hair is our crowning glory and we all have immense love for our hair. A huge majority of us think that our hair is what defines our look, and as a result of which we take a lot of care of it to maintain its health. But despite following strict hair care routines, if you still find bald patches on your head or if you find clumps of hair on your pillowcase, then you must worry and you must know about alopecia. So this disease has affected around 147 million people across the globe. However, the good news is that in Ayurveda there is a remedy to treat this disorder. It has proven benefits of stimulating as well as enhancing the hair that you have without any side effects. But before we get into this interesting video, for those of y'all who are new here, hi, I'm Dr. Smrithi. I make Ayurvedic remedies and lifestyle content here in my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please do take a moment, hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon right next to it, so that whenever I upload a video you get notified and you get to join my channel and get updated with all the facts and remedies told in Ayurveda. With that, let's dive in straight into the topic. According to Western system of medicine, it is an autoimmune disorder where hair fall happens in patches, or you see a lot of clumps of hair keeps falling off. So basically your own immune system attacks your own hair follicles, thereby reducing the size of the follicles, and also it stops the production of hair. Typically in the initial stages it starts with a small bald patch, and if you don't take care of it, it is going to spread very quickly. So it's very important to take care of it at that moment itself, because very often it goes quite unnoticed. So you don't have to worry, however, because in Ayurveda it can be treated successfully. Due to which most of the people witnessing such therapies are prone to face severe side effects and temporary hair growth. So if you're suffering with alopecia and looking for ways to deal with it, then Ayurveda is the best option to take. We do a treatment called as Prachanam, that is bloodletting therapy. Then we do Lepana, that is we apply some medicinal paste, after which we give some internal medication. With these three things we can treat the condition effectively. So in this video I'm going to show you all how bloodletting and Lepana therapy is done, but before getting into it, let me just tell you that this has to be strictly done by an Ayurvedic doctor itself. Please do not try it at home, and with that let's dive in straight into the procedure. First and foremost, I'm preparing a kashayam. So this has a lot of antiseptic as well as anti-inflammatory properties which we'll be using in the treatment. Once that is done, I'll keep my items ready and I'll start with the procedure. So first and foremost, I usually check the patient. So external examination is done as well as BP check. Those are the basic parameters. And once that is fine, I'll start with the procedure. Coming to the main part of the treatment, so we do a treatment called as Prachanam, that is bloodletting therapy. So what we do is, as you can see, I've taken a sterile needle and I will be making localized pricks over the superficial layer of the skin, that is the epidermis. You needn't have to worry, it is not at all painful because it will be done by a doctor itself. In Ayurveda, hair fall or hair loss happens because of the vitiation or imbalance in doshas. So we don't consider it as an autoimmune disorder. It is as simple as that. Let me rewind and tell you that the body in Ayurveda is made of three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosha. So the pathogenesis of the disease goes as Vata and Pitta causes the hair fall, and Kapha dosha, what it does is it forms a layer over the scalp. So what happens, due to which it blocks the pores of the hair follicles. So when the pores are blocked, what happens, your hair starts falling off, and also there is no regrowth of your hair. So this is the basic concept of Ayurveda. It is as simple as that, guys. You needn't have to worry, and it is easily treatable. So this problem is quite common in females, and this is called as female pattern baldness, that is called as androgenetic alopecia. This treatment works wonders, guys, trust me, because it is not painful, it is easy, and it doesn't have any side effects. That is the best part of this therapy, because if you see Western system of medicine, they keep injecting a lot of corticosteroids which has a lot of side effects. I have attended to many patients who have taken Western treatments and come back to me saying that they have so many issues after taking that therapy. So it's best to take an Ayurvedic treatment, you know, so that you don't have any side effects and you see results, that too permanent results. So that is the best part of this treatment. So many of y'all might be wondering, how long does it take to see results? So it depends upon your present condition. So if you have small patches, immediately it can be cured. Maybe you can give me a month to treat this disorder. But in case if you have a lot of patches or a lot of hair loss, especially if you can see in this patient, she is having a lot of hair loss in her median section. So for her it will take around 3 to 4 months. So you have to have patience, and you have to at least take this sitting once in 15 days. So I will be making a part 2 of this video where I'm going to show you how the patient responds to this therapy and how her hair has grown after 3 to 4 months of treatment. So as you can see, wherever I have pricked, blood is oozing out. So that is why it is called as bloodletting therapy. What we do is we just open up the pores. So you just have to consider that your pore is blocked, and with this needle I'll just be opening up the pore. So once that pore is open, hair can automatically grow naturally. As I've already told you, kapha dosha forms a coating over the head. So by doing this treatment, we address to treating the kapha dosha mainly. As you can see, I have almost pierced her entire median section and we are almost done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove off the excess blood which has oozed out, and we are done with our Prachanam Kriya. That is the first part of the treatment. Now what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I have just taken a cotton piece and I'm just going to take off the excess blood that has oozed off. Dab, dab, dab. That's how gentle we have to be. Next step is to dab the area with the kashayam which we prepared. So the kashayam or the medicine which is used has a lot of medicinal properties. That is, it has anti-inflammatory as well as antiseptic properties. And here goes our final step, that is lepana. So I've taken a medicine and I'm going to prepare a paste out of it. So I'm just making sure that the medicine has properly dissolved and has become a proper fine paste. Now I'm applying the lepa over the affected area. So we'll keep this lepa on for around 15 to 30 minutes, after which I'll be asking the patient to wash it off. So we are good to go and our treatment is done. With that, we have come to an end with this video. There will be a part 2 of this video exactly after a month, where I'm going to show you guys the progress of this patient. And if you found this video informative, then please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Not only that, if you have any questions or queries, feel free and leave a comment below. I'm sure to respond. I'm going to see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.